On a personal note, yesterday, Governor Kwanjana Brandin and Bishop and the Father, Mando Kochukuri in all churches, the Women Development Center. With the Kawanva, even when the Governor of Southeast, he said, you know, meeting one man, we're going up to the same, Makandi IPOB, and even the Megasin. And I call on the mother, and you got to say, how can I prescribe IPOB? Even if I come, Unana, even if I am in a name, I don't know why. I have a state more. I get Ebony. I get other places. As an active, wake up, Python dance. Even that, where Bona vaccine, no money, and trust in either about a terrorist organization. That was Boko Haram. All the government to do. Legacy. I'm going to one. I'm going to go on a check out. They don't say, they're going to say, I'm going to about women. You go to look when you went. So when they put out what I did, I'm not going to when I get away the center, where we write the phone, where Silver and the governor, even the governor. I am our governor. Come on, I'm going to Adonai. Only to us. Now, as you go with 2 days, I can't buy the time. Mana, or who will be is we went to service chiefs in the Bama, managing the police, army, ordinary, normally. West can even or go we made a money. Not federal government all day, they solve the problem, not something like IPOB. Only the people, they give me the shelter that I want. You wouldn't be with us. And even all the Catholic bishops in the portion of the communique, last year, they were going to arrest from La Finance and Master Blue. They were out there. No one is in the DSSS or Kamikata. When some man destabilize in Bolanda, I don't let them know that why we generate the work. Now they gave me, I'm only a web. They don't want to do it. When someone has consoled, when we say, we fool that one from in Nigeria. Who when people, men people. All don't matter. Or something like what? And say, my lawyer, only an appointment many people. When I came back, I said, I'm going to never do it. We don't want to name and you can one. Makalita no one can make it. So how to say, I have the solution. Only the young man. I got that money, and you're all in a no cafe, okay, Kokoye. After I got my name appointment, in America, I have Sabatono, we will change you. On all our culture, you have no Koko, you have no Koye, you have no cafe. I'm already so I thank you, my Lord. It was a day. I published in a Fides. I have barrier. Plus, I was online on the bishop. I came in the last year. All fathers okay. Who gave you the other Bible and late. Who were water. Very reverend father, Barrister Tony is okay. A very great man. Or some man who even they made too early, maintain a Senate. Not even that they could so amazing. na amụ ebe ọzọ na ukwu eje next net mbido kwa kwekwe ọzọ sọ na ịba ọdụrụ mma sị na ọkọ mmadụ ga-ekwu is not true a challenge ọ sị kere ndị na Abuja ga efe na-eme a na-eme ma railway line na budget na-ekwure na onwe onye na-enyere Igbo nke ma ọnụ mgbe ndị na-ebe abalị ọ bụrụ ya usoro so a na-ekele ihe maka anyị na-ebido elekshọn nke na-abịa onwe onye na-agbaghị ebe ya atịnye akwụkwọ by force ọ bụ na ka itinye akwụkwọ ebe ị chọrọ itinye itinye mana ebe dị mkpa ka eji uche anyị na-arụ ọrụ kịta ekwughị ime ihe n'ụdị a by force ya ebute ndị amị mụzọ ya atọ elekshọn onweghị ya ga tinyere ya egbe ebe ya atịnye akwụkwọ ọ bụ aka ọ na-eri inwe conscience examination of conscience nwere ebe ya bụ itinye akwụkwọ ịzara ife ndị ụmụaka a na-eme ekwere omume a ga-eji votu nye okwe omume ọ nwere ebe votu anyị tụọ anyị n'ọkọ ọnụ ndị a ga-amụ nna ya ga-adị ekwesịrị nwanyị ebe chọrọ ịkọwara Prọfesọ Fidelis Okafor, congratulations for your elevation to Papa Knight. You deserve it with your white shirt and trouser always. Ụtọdụ ndị ga-eso onye jisi ike ana m ede n'ụlọ wee na-asị na emecha elekshọn nke a na-apụta m ọ bụ na ịchọrọ ka a na-akwụ ụgwọ ọnwa ebe 25th of every month ịmara ebe ya atụ ịchọ ka ị na-arahụrụ anyasị ịmara ebe ya emegide ọ bụ na nke ndị obi adịghị mma ma na nke ndị abịa nke obibi na ọka dị ebe anyị si ede anyị ka si ede ekele na ụmụ ụtọdụ ndị ga-eso
ugbu a anyị na-akpọ His Lordship Most Reverend Solomon Amachukwu Amatu ka ọ were okwu onye na-eme ekpere ndị nọ na